You're in college, balancing classes, social life, and a part-time job. But what if I told you that you could also start building your wealth right now, even before you graduate? Today, we're diving into practical strategies that can help you become financially successful while you're still in school. Whether it's budgeting smarter, investing earlier, or earning extra income, these tips will set you on the path to financial independence. Ready to learn how? Let's get started. 1. Start with a budget. Track your expenses. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success. Think of it as the roadmap to your financial goals. Start by tracking your expenses to understand where your money is going. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to categorize your spending into essentials like food, rent, and utilities, and non-essentials like entertainment. Create a realistic budget. Once you have a clear picture of your spending, create a budget. Allocate funds for necessities, savings, and discretionary spending. Adjust it periodically based on changes in your income or expenses. Once you've got a handle on your budget, the next step is to prepare for unexpected expenses by building an emergency fund. 2. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, ensuring you're prepared for unexpected costs like car repairs or medical bills. Start small. Start by saving $500 to $1,000. Even if that seems like a lot, start small. Saving just $20 a month adds up over time. Use financial apps. Consider apps like Acorns or Digit that help you save by rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar. Every little bit counts. 3. Manage student loans wisely. Student loans can be a significant financial burden, but managing them wisely can minimize their impact. Understand your loans. Familiarize yourself with your student loans, including interest rates and repayment terms. Different loans have different terms, so it's crucial to know the specifics. Make payments while in school. If possible, make interest payments on your loans while you're still in college. This can prevent your loan balance from growing due to accumulating interest. Explore loan forgiveness programs. Investigate loan forgiveness programs that might be available based on your field of study or future career plans. For instance, public service workers can sometimes have their loans forgiven after a certain period. With your student loans in check, you can focus on building wealth, starting with finding ways to earn extra income. 4. Earn extra income. Increasing your income can significantly boost your financial situation, even as a student. Part-time jobs. Consider getting a part-time job on or near campus. Jobs like working in the library or as a tutor can provide extra income with flexible hours. Freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, or programming, freelancing can be a lucrative option. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are great places to start. Online surveys and gig economy. Participating in online surveys or gig economy jobs like food delivery can also provide extra cash. It might not be a lot, but every bit helps. Take it from a famous college entrepreneurs who started freelancing during college and used the earnings to fund their first startup. What began as a side hustle turned into a full-fledged business. 5. Invest early. Investing while in college might seem intimidating, but it's one of the best ways to build wealth over time. Educate yourself. Start by learning the basics of investing. Books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham or online courses can provide valuable insights. Start small. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Consider starting with small amounts in index funds or ETFs. Apps like Robinhood allow you to invest with as little as $1. Take advantage of compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from compound interest. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. With your investments set, the next step is to invest in yourself by developing marketable skills. 6. Develop marketable skills. Investing in yourself can yield high returns, especially in the job market. Internships and work experience. Seek internships or part-time jobs related to your field of study. These experiences not only provide income, but also enhance your resume and career prospects. Certifications and online courses. Consider earning certifications or taking online courses to enhance your skills. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer affordable courses that can boost your employability. For example, consider a famous person who invested in skills during college, who used these certifications to land a high-paying job right after graduation. 7. Build a professional network. Networking is crucial for career success and can lead to lucrative opportunities. Attend networking events. Participate in networking events, career fairs, and industry conferences. These events help you connect with professionals in your field and discover job opportunities. Join professional organizations. Join student chapters of professional organizations related to your major. These organizations often offer networking opportunities, career advice, and job listings. 8. Live below your means. One of the simplest ways to build wealth is to spend less than you earn. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, resist the temptation to increase your spending. Continue to live within your means and allocate extra funds towards savings and investments. Shop smart. Look for student discounts, use coupons, and take advantage of sales. Small savings add up over time and contribute to your financial stability. For instance, a person who lived frugally during college was able to save enough to buy a house shortly after graduation. 9. Use scholarships and grants. Scholarships and grants can significantly reduce your financial burden. Apply for scholarships. Research and apply for scholarships that you qualify for. Many organizations offer scholarships based on academic performance, extracurricular activities, or financial need. Seek out grants. Look for grants that can help cover tuition and other expenses. Federal and state grants are available, and some may not require repayment. 10. Monitor your credit score. A good credit score is essential for financial health. Start building and maintaining a good credit history while in college. Get a credit card. Consider getting a student credit card to build your credit history. Use it responsibly by making small purchases and paying off the balance in full each month. Check your credit report. Regularly check your credit report for accuracy. You can get a free report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion once a year. Building wealth while in college is entirely achievable with the right strategies and mindset. Start with a solid budget, build an emergency fund, manage your student loans wisely, and look for ways to earn extra income. Invest early, develop marketable skills, and network professionally. Live below your means, utilize scholarships and grants, and monitor your credit score. By following these tips, you'll set yourself up for financial success both during and after college. Have you tried any of these tips? Let me know in the comments how they worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and advice. Until next time, keep striving for financial freedom and success.